Is CES 2026 the moment when AI finally leaves the screen and enters daily life for real? More than 70% of the major launches this year involve robots, sensors, or physical AI, not just apps or software updates. From machines that can move, touch, and think, CES 2026 feels less like a tech show and more like a turning point. For many years, AI mostly lived inside screens like phones, laptops, and cloud servers, where it answered questions, suggested videos, and edited photos. CES 2026 shows a clear break from that old pattern, moving AI beyond software-only roles. This year is about physical AI, where intelligence is directly connected to robots, machines, sensors, and real environments. These systems can see, hear, touch, move, and react in real time instead of just processing data in the background. AI is no longer watching the world from a distance. Robots at CES 2026 are being built for factories, homes, hospitals, and public spaces, not just research labs. They are designed to work alongside people in daily tasks. This is why the show feels full of real progress instead of future promises. The question naturally comes up here: is this finally the kind of AI that changes everyday life? One of the strongest signals at CES 2026 comes from Hyundai Motor Group, which has confirmed a dedicated presentation focused entirely on AI and robotics. This alone shows how serious robotics has become for large industries. Hyundai is not focused on flashy machines meant only to impress. The core idea is humans and robots working together across manufacturing, logistics, and production systems. Robots are being treated as long-term workers, not fixed machines locked into a single task. They can be trained, updated, monitored, and managed just like software. This approach connects directly to Hyundai's software-defined factory vision, where flexibility matters more than rigid automation. Robots can adapt to new roles and new spaces over time. That raises an important thought. When robots can be updated like apps, how fast can entire industries evolve? One of the most anticipated moments at CES 2026 is the public debut of the next-generation Atlas robot from Boston Dynamics. This marks the first time this version of Atlas is being shown openly on a global stage. Atlas represents the cutting edge of humanoid robotics, designed for balance, movement, and complex physical tasks. It shows how close robots are getting to human-like physical ability. At CES, Atlas will not simply stand still for display. Live demonstrations are planned to show how it moves and operates in realistic settings. Alongside Atlas, robots like Spot and Mobed will also be present. Together, they highlight how robotics is shifting from individual machines to connected systems. Seeing robots move freely in public spaces naturally changes perception. Does this kind of visibility make working alongside robots feel more normal or more unsettling? Hyundai's CES showcase places heavy emphasis on how robots behave in real-world environments, not controlled labs. The show floor experience reflects factories, research spaces, and logistics areas, helping visitors understand real use cases. One standout system is Mobed, a compact AI-powered mobility platform. It is designed to carry sensors, tools, and equipment across uneven surfaces. Using AI-based navigation, it can move safely in places where humans face difficulty or risk. This kind of robot matters for delivery, inspection, and outdoor operations. These are tasks that often involve danger, fatigue, or physical strain. What stands out most is that these are not distant future ideas. They are tools actively being prepared for deployment. This practical focus is what clearly separates CES 2026 from earlier tech showcases. CES 2026 shows that the spotlight is shifting beyond factories and into homes. LG Electronics is publicly showcasing its home robot Cloyd for the first time, marking a big step for home robotics. Built with 2 arms, flexible joints, and object-handling hands, the robot is designed to assist with everyday tasks. It includes cameras, microphones, speakers, and a display to support interaction. Cloyd can help with things like handling laundry, opening cabinets, and interacting with household objects. It runs on LG's emotional intelligence software, focused on voice understanding and context awareness. This points to robots that can fit into daily routines, not just controlled demos. The idea naturally raises a question. Would a robot at home feel truly helpful or slightly unfamiliar? At the same time, CES 2026 makes it clear that smart homes are turning into AI-driven homes. Samsung is pushing this shift through its AI living ecosystem, where devices work together as a single system. A key highlight is the bespoke AI refrigerator with AI vision powered by Google Gemini, capable of recognizing food items and managing inventory to reduce waste. Samsung is also extending AI across the kitchen, with AI-powered microwaves and cooking ranges that communicate and adjust automatically, along with an AI wine cellar system for digital tracking. Alongside this, display technology continues to evolve, with Samsung and LG expanding micro RGB TVs that offer better brightness, color accuracy, and up to 240 Hz refresh rates. Screens are becoming adaptive and context-aware, showing that even familiar devices are getting smarter in meaningful ways. No AI-focused CES feels complete without NVIDIA, and CES 2026 strongly reinforces that idea. The company has a confirmed keynote that covers AI, robotics, simulation, and autonomy, placing it at the center of the event. NVIDIA's influence today goes far beyond graphics cards and gaming hardware. It builds the compute platforms that power physical AI systems across industries. These platforms handle model training, large-scale simulation, and real-time execution. Robots rely on this processing power to see, plan, decide, and react instantly. Simulation tools allow machines to learn and fail safely before entering the real world. Autonomous systems depend on consistent, low-latency compute to operate reliably. From factories to mobile robots, NVIDIA technology sits underneath it all. The message is simple but important. Robots are only as capable as the systems running inside them. AI at CES 2026 is moving closer to everyday users, not just data centers and robots. Intel's Panther Lake processors bring AI to PCs and edge devices with faster local processing, better efficiency, and improved privacy without relying fully on the cloud. AMD is also highlighting next-generation AI platforms, while Lenovo and Motorola show how AI is shaping new device designs, including a book-style foldable phone. Together, these updates show AI becoming a natural part of personal devices, not an added feature. At the same time, robots are getting smarter through touch and sensing. Paxini's tactile sensing helps robots handle objects safely, while Leopard Imaging's perception systems improve vision in difficult conditions. Consumer robotics continues to grow with smarter robot vacuums, pool cleaners, and modular cleaning robots, along with companion and assistive machines. CES 2026 is not driven by hype alone. The common thread across the show is deployment. These technologies are being built to function in real homes, factories, hospitals, and public spaces. AI is becoming quieter, more useful, and more physical. Robots are turning into tools instead of experiments. Systems are designed to update, scale, and last over time. This is not about flashy demos. It is about long-term change. One question remains open. Which shift truly matters most? Humanoid robots, AI-powered homes, or the invisible systems behind everything? CES 2026 may not answer everything, but it clearly shows where technology is heading next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.